Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing teas that can help you lose weight and boost your metabolism. You'll learn how each tea works to burn fat and improve overall health. We'll also share easy recipes to prepare these teas at home with simple ingredients. Plus, you'll get tips on the ideal time and quantity to drink these teas for the best results. Stay tuned to transform your daily routine with these powerful and healthy brews. Let's begin with Aparijita tea. This tea isn't just beautiful, it's packed with antioxidants that help the body burn fat faster. It also reduces bloating and improves digestion, making you feel light and energetic. This tea is a natural metabolism booster, and it even supports glowing skin. To make this refreshing tea, boil 1 cup of water and add 2 to 3 dried flowers. Let it steep for 5 minutes to release all its goodness, and add a dash of lemon juice for extra health benefits. Enjoy this tea early in the morning or mid-evening, and stick to 1 to 2 cups daily for the best results. Next on the list is fennel tea. It is your best friend for controlling hunger and speeding up digestion. It's known to flush out toxins and reduce bloating, giving you a flatter stomach. The tea is rich in dietary fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer. Its soothing properties also help manage stress-related overeating. To prepare this soothing tea, boil 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds in a glass of water. Strain it, and enjoy it warm to aid digestion and refresh your system. The best time to drink this is about an hour after meals, and you can have up to 2 cups daily for maximum benefits. It's a simple, natural way to support your digestive health. Now, let's move to another tea. Cumin tea is a natural metabolism booster. It helps your body digest food better, preventing fat from accumulating. This tea is especially effective for reducing belly fat. It's also packed with vitamins that improve energy levels. To make this energizing tea, boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture and sip it warm for a refreshing start to your day. The best time to drink cumin tea is first thing in the morning, with 1 cup daily being ideal for boosting metabolism and improving digestion. This one is a great option. Oolong tea is a perfect blend of green and black tea, making it a powerful fat burner. It helps in breaking down fat cells and improves metabolism, especially when consumed regularly. Oolong tea is also excellent for improving mental focus and energy levels throughout the day. To prepare oolong tea, steep 1 teaspoon of oolong tea leaves in a glass of hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy its rich, flavorful taste. The best time to drink oolong tea is mid-morning or early afternoon, with up to 2 cups daily to help boost metabolism and aid in weight management. Up next, here's a refreshing choice. Cinnamon tea is fantastic for stabilizing blood sugar levels, which reduces sugar cravings. It also boosts metabolism and helps burn calories more efficiently. Cinnamon tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce bloating and improve digestion. To prepare cinnamon tea, boil 2 sticks of cinnamon in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it warm to enjoy its comforting flavor and health benefits. The best time to consume cinnamon tea is 1 hour before meals, with 1 to 2 cups daily, to help stabilize blood sugar levels and support weight management. This tea is a must-try. Lemon tea is rich in vitamin C, which aids in fat burning and detoxification. It reduces water retention and makes you feel lighter and more energetic. Lemon tea also supports your immune system, which is a bonus during weight loss. To prepare lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and stir well. For added sweetness, you can mix in a teaspoon of honey if desired. The best time to enjoy lemon water is early in the morning or mid-morning, with up to 2 cups daily, to kickstart your metabolism and promote hydration. Now, let's explore this unique tea. Hibiscus tea is tangy, refreshing, and packed with antioxidants that fight fat storage. It helps lower body fat percentage and promotes healthy digestion. This tea is also a natural diuretic, which reduces bloating and water retention. To make hibiscus tea, boil 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers in a glass of water for 5 to 7 minutes and strain the liquid. Serve it warm to enjoy its tangy and refreshing flavor. The best time to drink hibiscus tea is mid-morning or evening, with 1 to 2 cups daily, to support hydration and promote overall well-being. Let's shift to another flavorful option. Ginger tea is a natural fat burner, thanks to its thermogenic properties that help your body burn more calories. It also improves digestion and reduces inflammation, making it perfect for belly fat reduction. Ginger tea can also boost your immunity. To prepare ginger tea, boil a 1-inch piece of ginger root in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. For added flavor, you can include a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. The best time to enjoy this soothing tea is early in the morning or 1 hour after meals, with 1 to 2 cups daily, to aid digestion and boost metabolism. Here's another tea to enjoy. Tea is a stress reliever and metabolism booster in one. It helps reduce cortisol levels, which is key to preventing stress-related weight gain. Tulsi tea also aids in digestion and detoxification. To make tulsi tea, boil 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried tulsi leaves in a glass of hot water for 5 minutes. For added sweetness, mix in a teaspoon of honey if desired. The ideal time to drink this tea is in the morning or evening, with 1 to 2 cups daily for its calming and immunity-boosting benefits. Finally, end your list with this. Chamomile tea promotes better sleep, and good sleep is essential for effective weight loss. It also calms your mind, reducing stress-related cravings. Chamomile tea can help your body recover faster from workouts too. To prepare chamomile tea, steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes. For added sweetness, mix in a touch of honey if desired. The best time to enjoy this tea is before bedtime, with 1 cup daily to promote relaxation and better sleep. Here are the key takeaways. Aparajita, fennel, and cumin teas are great for boosting metabolism and reducing bloating. Oolong, hibiscus, and cinnamon teas can help burn fat and control cravings. Tulsi, ginger, and chamomile teas are perfect for managing stress and improving digestion. For maximum benefits, make sure to include these teas as part of a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. By incorporating these simple teas, you can enhance your weight loss journey and overall health. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tea recipes help you on your weight loss and wellness journey. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to follow the tips consistently to see the best results. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.